Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Digitally. Today I am showing you the process of creating the rubrics. This will be practical work for session 2 of this course, that is the Artificial Intelligence for Education. So in this session we will learn how to create rubrics in ChatGPT. So I write here, create a rubric for assessment of assignment of subject general science, topic gravity, and grade or class 8. Now look here, ChatGPT is creating a rubric for this query or this prompt. Now as it will be completed, I will show you what ChatGPT provided us. So this is a practical way which I taught you in my session 2 on mastering the prompt engineering, and I discussed rubrics with you. So if you are new to ChatGPT, you may see how rubrics may be generated for your specific class and subject. So look here, ChatGPT is creating the rubrics and the criteria for assessment of assignment. ChatGPT has designed the criteria, that is understanding of gravity concepts, explanation and application, scientific accuracy, use of diagrams and illustration, clarity and organization, and grammar and mechanics. These are the criteria to assess the assignments. And then ChatGPT has created the rubrics in the form of table, and it has mentioned that number first criteria, which I told you, and then it has and then ChatGPT has given the grades, that is excellent, and then good, and then satisfactory, and fourth grade is a needs improvement. So criteria which I discussed to you, grade will be according to these criteria. If a student say he has done assignment in a good way, then the grade will be excellent, otherwise other grades will be assigned to him or her. Then ChatGPT has given the description of each criteria, means ChatGPT has justified each criteria. So this is a great tool to support the teacher, to assist the teacher. You must practice this tool. I just show you one example of creating the rubrics for assessment of assignment. But you may create rubrics for assessment of quiz and other examinations. So it's a really amazing tool. Get a proper benefit of ChatGPT.